Hello everyone! I've just received a brand ambassador box from Graphic 45. This is my third DT box and I'm so excited because I was really looking forward to these two new paper Graphic 45 collections. So I want to start with them. I've got the 8x8 paper pack and 12x12 paper pack. Let's get artsy collection. And I've got one project in my mind already with this collection. This collection is so juicy, so amazing. And I want to work with this paper. There are 16 double-sided papers in this collection pack. And so let's have a look through. I love these colors. It's something unbelievable. Oh, love this blue. Cards and lovely background. Oh, I like it. There is a sheet with cards and then you turn it over. You've got this journal card bags. Oh, I like it. It is absolutely stunning. And stickers. Oh, I love this collection. And I want to work with it. I think I'll craft a gorgeous project using this paper. I will not open 8x8 pack, but I've got 12x12 patterns and solids pack and I want to watch it. I often use pattern sheets in my projects, so it will be very useful for me. There are lovely colors. Yellow, juicy orange, oh, its color is so beautiful. Oh. And I also like this blue. I've also got stamp set and two ephemera packs. They're different. First, it's text and frames, and second, it's ephemera set. So here we go. This is text and frame. I really love these elements and I will use them for decoration my albums, journals and other. I also like this set, especially with two elements. Oh, so cool. So, another new collection is Life is Abundant. And it is so beautiful, so amazing. I love dark graphic 45 collection. It's something special for me. And I've got 8 by 8 pack, 12 by 12 pack, stamp set, and I've also got pattern and solids pack. And I want to look 12 by 12 pack. It's calendar collection, so we have 2 sheets for each month. I'm starting from January. So beautiful pattern. February. Oh, I like it. I like all these sheets. March. April. Oh, cool. Cool pattern. May. Oh, how beautiful. I love butterflies. June. Like it. July. Oh, like this picture. Good background. August. Super. September. Oh, cool. October. November. How it's beautiful. And December. Stickers for this collection. I don't know which project I will make from this collection, but it's so beautiful. I fall in love with Life is Abundant collection. It's fantastic. Fantastic paper. Amazing. Wonderful. I don't have ephemera sets for it because they were sold out when I made my order. But I want to have it. Oh. And I want to work my patterns and solids back. Beautiful red. Oh, I like these patterns. Blue. Oh, it's cool. Green, light green. Green and yellow, something. Oh, and it's cool. It's a calendar on black sheets. First 6 months and second 6 months. Oh, and so cool background on the back side. I've got 8x8 Hello Pumpkin collection pack. I had this one, but I did use up the whole pack already for my project, and I want to get one more. I will not open it because it is not new collection or collector's edition. And here we go. It's Imagine Collection Edition collector pack, and it's special collection for me because it was released for the first time. Then I was in Graphic 45 design team for the first time. And I like it, I love it. I made a travel book from this collection, and if you want, I can to show you it. I start to translate in English my previous videos, so I can to translate and video with projects from this paper. So cool. I made travel book for our travel in Prague. Look at this beautiful background. I like to cutting all small elements from backgrounds. It's cool. Love, 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 love this paper. And I'm happy that I have another one this pack. It's beautiful, amazing. I don't know. Oh, cards. And stickers. And another collector's edition, Love Nuts collector pack. Oh, 8x8 pack has stickers too. I think it's classical for Graphic 45 paper. When I was a child, I played the piano. Good collection, good paper. And stickers. This is not interesting product, but it is so useful for me. I'm making sheets for album, covers for album, some boxes and other from this chipboard sheet. They are too heavy and I like to work with them. So we looked at all G45 products in my DT box. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing quite a lot of Graphic 45 products in the future. So I hope you enjoyed, and tell me which of the paper collection you are looking forward to see projects made with. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you soon.